What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am gonna be trying TINASHE hair for the first time. I am really excited to try this brand. I've seen it a lot all over social media and I'm glad I got to taste it today. The hair I received came in this beautiful little box. It's magnetic. I love when the brand send you good quality boxes. It also came with a lot of goodies in a dust bag, you know, as you guys can see, and they have the good quality bonnet too. The lashes, I was not a fan of them, but whatever. That's not what we're reviewing here. So the hair I got to review is this beautiful 5x5 closure wig. It's a brown hair with the honey blonde skunk. I don't know how to say the word skunk stripe in the front. So basically it has like one piece of highlight in the front. It came in 20 inches and the website says that it's 180 density, but we'll see. I'm gonna move on straight to installation. I already have my cap on, and yes, I am reusing an old cap. We are a household that reuses, recycles, and whatever it says. So before the video, I already worked on the wig a little bit. I bleached the knots and I plucked the hairline a little bit more, and I went ahead and I put some foundation to match with my skin. The first thing I'm going to do, of course, as always, is cut the sides of the closure. You don't want those thick sides because it really just doesn't make the look doesn't make the wig look flattering at all, so you have to remove those. To install this wig, I'm gonna use Ebine lace spray. You guys, if you watch my videos, you know that Ebine, oh my god, I can't even speak. Ebine lace spray is what I use to glue my wigs because it's just easier for me since I have to try so many different wigs during the month. It's just better for my skin and, you know, easy to move on from one wig to another. I do about 3 coats of the spray and I blow dry between coats, and when the glue gets tacky, that's when I go ahead and I put the wig in place. This wig was pretty easy to install. The lace melted pretty quick and pretty easily, and it didn't give me much trouble. As you guys can see, it's already melted. It's already looking amazing. Really happy with this. When the wig is in place, you're gonna use a small rat tail comb to press down the wig into your skin and into the place where you want it to be. And when it's completely dry, you're gonna take a small eyebrow razor and you're gonna start cutting your lace. The reason why I cut my lace before putting the elastic band is because that's the best way I found to avoid any type of lifting. I used to cut my lace after putting the lace band and I used to get so much lifting on my wig. This one is just better. You cut the lace and then you put the elastic band and everything stays just in place. You don't have to cut or lift anything else. I also went ahead and I removed my baby hairs. If you're a beginner, I recommend these combs that have the little hook at the front. This helps you take the perfect amount of hair that you need for your baby hairs without making them too thick or too thin. And this is just a tip for beginners. I use it because I am not good at parting my hair, and this is what helps me, you know, when doing different hairstyles, to have that sharp, clean part. And then after I take my baby hairs out, I'm gonna go ahead and put the elastic band and leave it on while I style the hair. So this wig is originally straight, and I want to keep this style. What made me choose this wig in their website is the fact that the picture they had was a side part and it looked so pretty. So I was like, I want that. and that's what I'm gonna do. So but the first step is of course to press down the hair with the comb so it's not bulky on the top. I use a little bit of wax stick. I got this wax stick at Marshall's and surprisingly it's really good. And I'm also gonna use my hot comb, of course. I have to say that, you know, those little hairs, those little short hairs that always make the root of the wigs look mad thick. This wig has a lot of those. I personally don't like that because it's just annoying to have those little hairs and they tend to just like be sticking out when you already done your hair and everything. But that's why you need to press down the wig, because that's how you get out, you get to fix those little mistakes that come with the wig. But I was able to fix it with just some wax stick and the hot comb, and you guys will notice how I am putting even more wax stick as I style the hair, because I just felt like in some places it just needed a little more, mostly on the top because the little hairs were sticking out a little bit and it was just annoying to me. But I really think this hair is very beautiful. It takes heat very nicely. You guys are gonna see how with a couple passes of the flat iron the hair is gonna get silky straight, and I love that. I love the brown colors. If you guys have seen my videos, you guys know I love brown color. Since the first time I tried brown hair, I've just been in love. I think I'm actually going to dye my own hair brown at some point because I just love it. And yeah, this part is just me styling the hair. I'm not really doing anything crazy when it comes to styling this wig. Hair is so beautiful. I really loved this installation. The hair was beautiful. It looked really nice. The color was chef kiss, mwah, delicious. It looked amazing on me. The lace, it melted so good. Y'all about to see how transparent. Let me remove this headband so you guys see what I saw. Like, I was in shock. The hair was completely, the lace was undetectable. It says undetectable Swiss lace on the website, and they did not lie. These lace was undetectable. It looked really nice. So for my baby hairs, I cut them as you guys can see, and I went ahead and I put some gel. I know some people like the natural looking baby hairs where they don't have to like they don't like to put gel on their baby hairs. I'm not one of those. I want my baby hairs to stay in place for 3 days so I don't have to redo them over and over again. and that's just that. The baby hairs looked really nice. It definitely made the hair look even better, and you can use the baby hairs to hide the little ends of the closure, even though it wasn't needed in this case because of course it just disappeared. I also went ahead and I put some powder on my part just so it matches with the rest of my skin. I really hope you guys like this video. I actually enjoyed a lot installing this hair and trying Tinashe's hair. Overall, the hair was beautiful. The color was beautifully done. I like the skunk stripe on the front, and the lace is my favorite thing about this wig because you know I love an undetectable lace. I love a lace that melts easily and makes your job easier, and this is one of those. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link everything on the description box, and I will also have my social media so you guys can go ahead and follow me and we can keep in touch. And yeah, guys, this is everything. Muchísimos besitos, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah.